years old. I'm the founder of tennisforthekid.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do it and press that notification bell too, so that you don't miss any of my videos. So without any delay, let's get started. And today we are going to do the awesome ultimate JavaScript. It is really cool. Okay? And in JavaScript, we are going to do even a more cooler thing. That is JavaScript performance. Oh yeah, I'm really excited. Are you? I am. Let's get started. Oh yeah, comment down below if you are excited. Oh yeah, Dad. Hey. So I've opened JavaScript performance. Okay, and now how to speed up your JavaScript code. Reduce activity in loops. Loops are often used in programming. Each statement in a loop, including the for statement, is executed for each iteration of the loop. Statements or assignments that can be placed outside the loop will make the loop run faster. So this is bad. Variable I for I is equal to 0, I less than array.length, I plus plus. So like every time it is iterating, it is checking array.length, it is bringing array.length value. So like it is bringing array.length again and again. So in better code, variable I we are defining a variable I, then variable L is equal to array.length. I is equal to 0, I is less than L, I plus plus. So in this better code, we are not accessing array.length again and again. So L has array.length and it is one time only. So and we are giving L here. So it does not have to check the value of array.length again and again. Okay. The bad code accesses the length property of an array each time the loop is iterated. The better code accesses the length property outside the loop and makes the loop run much more faster. Okay. Like yeah, as I told you, it does not have to calculate the value of array.length again and again. Second point is reduce DOM access. Accessing the HTML DOM is very slow compared to other JavaScript statements. So you should reduce DOM access a lot because it slows your execution rendering. If you expect to access a DOM element several times, access it once and use it as a local variable. Okay, so like if you you can predict that you want to use the DOM element several times, then access it once and use it as a local variable. So for example, make a variable object, then do obj is equal to document.getElement by id demo. So bring that element using its id or anything, and then you should use the object to change you should use that object to change values in demo or whatever you want to do with demo. You should use obj for that. Like over here, and we are changing inner HTML hello. So we are changing the inner HTML to hello. Reduce DOM size. Keep the number of elements in the HTML DOM small. Keep your HTML DOM small. This will always improve page loading and speed up rendering. Rendering is page display, especially on smaller devices. So reduce HTML DOM. If the HTML DOM is small, if it is small, then page loading improves and it speeds up rendering. Okay, especially on smaller devices. Okay, every attempt to search the DOM, like get element by tag name or get element by ID, will benefit for a smaller DOM. Okay, so it will be faster, like to get use get element by tag name or get element by id if we have a smaller DOM. Now, you should avoid unnecessary variables. Don't create new variables if you don't plan to save values. Often you can replace code like this. So like over here, there's no need of variable full name. Because we don't need to save this first name plus space plus last name. Probably not. So like variable full name is equal to this. Okay, we didn't really need this full name and then we are putting full name over here. We could just replace this with this first name plus space plus last name. This is much more better because we don't probably need to save this for next time. We can always use this whole instead of making a variable full name and then putting full name over here. That like improves, like it improves the code readability and all, but it slows down your programs. Okay, now we are on delay JavaScript loading. Putting your scripts at the bottom of the page body lets the browser load the page first. So like if you put the scripts at the bottom of the like uh, page body, then first of all there will be like no errors, and second of all the rendering will not pause in between. Okay, while a script is downloading, the browser will not start any other downloads. So when a script is downloading, the browser will not start any other downloads. In addition, all parsing and rendering activity might be blocked. So when a script is downloading, the browser will not start any other downloads, and the parsing and rendering activity might be blocked. Okay. The HTTP specification defines that browsers should not download more than 2 components in parallel. Okay, so like now to make sure that your scripts your scripts are downloaded and like compiled after the whole after the page loads, you can use defer is equal to true. Okay, true. Let's see what is defer is equal to true. An alternative is to use defer is equal to true in the script tag. The defer attribute specifies that the script should be executed after the page has finished parsing. So after the page has finished compiling and rendering, we can then only the script will for example uh, um, compile and then show compile and then execute. Okay, but it only works for external scripts. And now what will we do for the scripts inside the HTML? We need to do something for them also. There is a way for them also. If possible, you can add your script to the page by code after the page has loaded. So we can use this second method in external scripts also, and in the scripts that are in the HTML page also. So like window.onload, we can use window.onload, and this does that whenever the page loads and the rendering is done, then only the JavaScript is compiled and then executed. So over here, after window.onload, this is doing all this. Okay, now finally, avoid using the with keyword. It has a negative effect on speed. It also clutters up JavaScript scopes. It also clutters up JavaScript scopes. Yeah, it does. and it has a negative effect on speed. Yeah, maybe it does, but JavaScript is so fast that we don't seem to notice. Yeah, but when we are writing big programs, then we will notice it. And then this performance, this video will like be a really useful thing for all of you. Right now it is also right now also it is really useful for the future. And the with keyword is not allowed in strict mode. The with keyword is not allowed in strict mode. Like strict mode has some extra rules in it. Okay. For more information about strict mode, like do check out my strict mode video. You will really enjoy it, really. And here we have the end of the chapter. So thank you guys. If you like the video, don't forget to smash that like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do it and press that notification bell too so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and a very happy new year. All of you, please subscribe in the happiness of New Year. Please, I will be really happy after you subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye. Please subscribe and keep watching my videos.